Welcome to WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow.
Every road begins with one brave step. Every heart can learn and proudly grow. With every lesson, hope is rising, lighting paths we've yet to know. Hand in hand, though miles divide us, one strong purpose leads us on. Through each challenge we discover a place where every voice belongs.
Knowledge is the light before us, confidence will lead the way. Side by side we stand together.
What if I tell you now you can also create any type of song, just chat with an AI tool? No, trust me, I am not joking with you. Because in this video, I will show you a very useful and crazy AI tool with the help of which you can easily create any type of song, any type of music for free. And this tool is launched by Google. Yes, one of the trusted giant tech company, Google. We all know. No, I'm not going to talk about the Gemini's default music generator tool. This is a new tool created by Google, and this is almost 100% better than Gemini. It sounds crazy, right? Those who are interested in music and creating songs, this video is for them. If you know anyone, please share this video with your favorite groups, music groups, and music related persons, because everyone should know that AI can help you to create the music. And I was just amazed by seeing the quality of the music. I think you already heard that. Hi everyone, my name is Ratul and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, WhiteCane Academy. Without further delay, let's get started. To use this tool, you have to use your computer. Also, you can use your phone, but I'm going to use PC and the Google Chrome browser. First, you have to open the browser and search this tool. At the end of the video, I will announce the name of the tool, and I'll also provide the link in the video description below, as well as on our official WhatsApp channel. So don't forget to join us on WhatsApp and Telegram and other social media. Links are given in the video description below. After going to that tool, you have to create your account. You need to sign in using your Google account and then allow some permissions. It's a very straightforward process which you can do easily by going to the screen. So after everything, you will redirect it to this interface.
Google.
And if you check the title,
Google Flow Music.
Yes, the tool name is Google Flow Music. If you search on Google, you can definitely get it. And now here you'll have different types of options, such as projects and your playlist. You can create some playlist using your songs, using your generated musics. You can publish your music to this community, to the Flow Music community of Google, and you can really enjoy utilizing this tool. So I will show you step-by-step process. You should watch this video without skipping any part. So guys, first let's explore the interface. I'm just going to the top.
Button search.
Search button is there.
Button expanded, close
I'm just
sidebar.
going down.
Visited same page, link button, new session.
New session. This is a similar like new chat which we found in any generative AI tool.
Link button, songs.
Songs, whatever songs you have created.
Link button, expand playlists.
Playlists.
Link button, spaces.
Spaces.
Link button, music videos.
Music videos, whatever videos you have created. Yes, you can create music videos using this tool also.
Visited link button, expand projects.
So projects also, if you guys want, we can discuss further about this tool, but today we will only focus how you can create the songs. To create the songs, you have to press down arrow, or you have to go to like that directly. You can press E.
Main landmark chat message, edit multi-line, ask producer.
Ask producer. So here you need to describe whatever you want to create, but before that, let me show you some other options, some advanced options which you can use if you want. I'm pressing tab here.
Add audio or image menu button.
Add audio or image. So here you can add some other audio files like your vocals or whatever, and you can experiment with this. And you can add images for creating music videos.
Chat settings menu button, collapse.
Chat settings.
Start voice mode button.
Start voice mode.
Create build your space. Let's create
Tab.
a space. Save / space create build your space. Let's create a space together. Give me some ideas button.
tab,
save slash create build an R&B
tab.
song with save slash create alcan save slash remix cape create a save slash custom create rematch save slash songs playlists button videos button
songs,
spaces
playlist,
button
videos,
featured menu button
all these
collapse,
things you will
switch to
get
list
it.
view button
Okay.
play high tide button videos switch play high tide like high tide button. More options for high tide heading level electronica electro navigation landmark main landmark chat message edit multi-line ask chat settings menu button.
So if I
collapse,
press
sub
enter
menu.
here, chat settings, then
settings
see
menu.
what you get it.
Customize producer
Customize producer
memories,
progress,
more
memories,
wonderful.
and more. Like from here, you can check the models and other things.
Start voice mode button.
Start voice mode is there.
Heading level 2 starters. Button button field clickable. Google alert bullet link graphic main landmark chat message edit multi-line ask producer chat message edit.
So guys, here I think I have created 1 or 2 projects. I mean 2 songs earlier. So I think now I'm not getting some options. You might get some other options like add lyrics, describe the song and other things. Somehow I'm not getting the options right now. Just let me refresh once more and let me try again.
Google Flow music document. Chat message.
No, it is not happening right now. Right now I'm not getting
Add
any
chat start voice mode
options.
button. Chat settings menu button collapsed sub menu. Add audio or image menu button.
If I click
collapsed.
here,
Add audio or image menu.
you can just
Recording record audio.
record the audio.
1 of 3. Audio use your music to create.
Use your music
Max
to
40
create.
MB 2 of 3.
maximum size is 40
Image
MB.
use image to inspire lyrics or cover art 3 of 3.
Okay, so inspire lyrics or cover it, whatever
Flow.
this is.
Chat message.
Just simply here I have generated 1 prompt. I have created 1 prompt. You have to describe everything you want. So let's generate 1 title song for WhiteCane Academy. So I have pasted the form. I have already copied 1 prompt. Now I pasted here
Paste. Bland.
and see this is the
White bland.
form.
Bland. White 1 growing with curve. Number star light the bland. White 1 learning without bit bland. 1835 line. Star roll. No. 70. Cop. Google chat mess. Paste.
I have covered
Globally
everything.
Accessible.
And now see, this is the prompt which I have written.
Roll. You are a Grammy-winning music producer. Film in your Diffex is author. Musical. Globally accessible with line feed. Space line feed. Top Sarah edit. Create fight blank. Reserve the verse. Do not bland. 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 Do not modify. Remove bland. WhiteCane Academy. Bland.
So now I just need to simply press enter to start generating. Remember here you will not get any voice guidance or any voice reply from the tool, but after completion of this generating you will definitely listen to the track. So without further delay, let's press enter and wait.
Google Flow
So
music, main landmark,
now
chat message edit multi
it is getting ready. So I'm just pressing up arrow to check the progress status.
out of button and Dalak female lead official generate 5% generate 6%
5%, 6%,
generating light the way white
Generating.
the anthem 17%
17%. So it is now generating, and after generated it will be start playing. So I will be muted
generate
myself
32%
after 90%. In the meantime, you can share this video with others. You can hype and you can like the video if you find this video useful and interesting.
click 57%
For more interesting videos like this, you can subscribe to our official YouTube channel. You can subscribe us on WhiteCane Academy Hindi also.
setting level 3 which do you prefer
Now some questions is appear here.
clickable white head your feedback improves produce head 1 community 1 share growing with courage every day no preference menu button collapsed so open details for light away WhiteCane Academy anthem button
Okay, so the anthem is now ready. Somehow it is not played, so let me just press B.
open details for light button menu button collapsed button open button menu button try a female lead menu button collapsed sub menu
So it is already generated.
open no prep your head clickable head your feedback improves head 1 growing with learning with a plan will light away button graphic clickable button
So by default it is automatically start playing, but somehow it creates issues. So now what I do is I just go to the
no next head click of Google Flow music
At
out of
the
frame, out of
end.
list out of clickable adjust volume but open enable play next track button play Chao Bangaliana play more of dislike Chao like Chao generate button
So I think
Main
some
landmark,
issues
chat
is
message,
there.
multi-line ask producer land add audio chat setting start voice mode 70 separator
Now see,
button collapse lyrics section button expanded
here you will get some sections. After generating 1 audio or 1 songs, you will get these options.
collapse lyrics section
Lyrics
button
section,
expanded.
if you expand it, you can add the lyrics or refining the lyrics.
Lyrics edit multi-line dot Y E V E E line L I L I G A T I dot
So here already the lyrics added.
Clickable toggle instrumental modes.
Now you can only generate the instrumental mode and other things. So let me
Sound,
just
clickable
quickly
toggle advanced sound expands it button. Generate
click
button.
on generate and let's see what happens.
Navigation landmark. But visited link button songs. Link button music videos. Viz link WhiteCane and settings menu 3 button. Invite button. Main landmark toggle compose panel button. Toggle session songs button. Share session button. Button. Click button. No preference menu button. Open details for light away. Button open detail clickable sound. Graphic clickable. Button. Official Institutional Academy anthem. Female lead Dalak. Cinematics and triumphant lyrics. Graphic clickable.
Yes, this is the music. Listen.
Every road begins with one brave step. Every heart can learn and proudly grow. With every lesson, hope is rising, lighting paths we've yet to know. Hand in hand, though miles divide us, one strong purpose leads us on. Through each challenge we discover a place where every voice belongs.
Knowledge is the light before us, confidence will lead the way. Side by side we stand together.
So guys, you already have seen that how easy it is to generate any music just by writing the good prompt. And if you want to know how to write the best prompt to get the music or to generate the music or any other AI tool, then you have to learn prompt engineering. And we are happy to announce that we have 2 hours exclusive training on prompt engineering for visually impaired. You just need to spend 2 hours, and after 2 hours you can use any AI tools and you can use the best prompt you can write for the AI and you can get the best results. For more details, you can visit our official website from the about page of our channel and join our prompt engineering course. So guys, now if you want to download this or if you want to play and pause this, you will find that audio panel at the bottom of the page.
Button.
There are some unlabeled button is there which you can explore. If you need any help, you can just let me know in the comment section so I can help you there.
Menu button collapsed submenu.
If you want to download this, just press up arrow.
Menu button collapsed submenu.
You'll find more options.
More options.
And enter a spacebar, and now if you press down arrow,
Remix sub details sub downloads details
submenu. Here you can edit like song title and other things.
Share, download submenu.
Download submenu. If you expand it,
download video 1 of 5.
you can download it as video.
Get stems 2 of 5.
You can like get stems. What is this? I'll tell you later.
M4A 3 of 5.
M4A,
MP3 4 of 5.
MP3,
WAV 5 of 5.
and WAV. Whichever format you want, you can just press enter. Let's enter on MP3.
Google Flow music document.
I have pressed on MP3 and now it is start getting downloaded.
Save as dialog.
Yes, now it is asking me to save the
No items
dialog.
match your search. Items view list archive.
So let me quickly download it.
Desktop documents download. Item Google Flow music.
And now it is start downloading and I can easily play it from my system. So this is how you can create music. You can generate any type of music using Google's new tool Flow Music, and the site name is flowmusic.app. If you find this content useful, don't forget to press the like button. I already shared with you. And if you have any questions, any comments, please let me know into the comment section. This is what I have to share with you in this video. That's it for today's video. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and keep learning. Bye-bye.